Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. The previous class we have studied about even and odd numbers. Is that no children? In the previous class we have studied even and odd numbers. What is the spelling for even numbers? E-V-E-N, even, N-U-M-B-E-R-S, numbers, even numbers. What is the spelling for odd numbers? O-double-D, odd, N-U-M-B-E-R-S, numbers, odd numbers. Okay. What is the meaning for even number? What is the meaning for even number? The numbers ending with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 are called even numbers. Is that no children? Yes. What is even number? The numbers ending with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. It is called even number. Then what is the meaning for odd number? What is the meaning for odd number? The numbers ending with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 is called odd numbers. It's called odd numbers. Is that no children? Yes. Okay. So I ask some questions for even and odd numbers. Okay. 14 is the even number or odd number? 14. 1, 4. Yes? 14 is the even number or odd number? 14 is the even number. Okay. Very good. Then 30 is the even number or odd number? 30. 3, 0. 30 is the even number or odd number? Even number. The numbers end with 0. Yes or no children? Yes. Okay. Then 17 is the even number or odd number? 17. 17 is the even number or odd number? Odd number. Okay, very good. Then 49 is the even number or odd number? 49. 49. 49. 49 is the even number or odd number? Odd number because the number is ending with 9. Okay, I hope you have understood even and odd numbers. Now, all of you take your maths book with your stationery things, pencil, razor, scale, sharpener. All of you take your maths book, take book page number 16, 1, 6. All of you take book page number 16, 1, 6. All of you take book page number 16. Have you taken, children? All of you have you taken? I hope you have taken the maths book. Now take book page number 16, 1, 6. Let us revise, okay? See the first one, complete the table. C-O-M-P-L-E-T-E, complete. T-H-E-D, T-A-B-L-E, table. Complete the table. See the first one, number in figures. Number in figures. Then number in words. Number in figures. Number in words. Yes? See the first one, A question. What is this number, ma? See the first one, what is this number? 76. Is that no? Yes, 76. What is the spelling for 76? What is the spelling for 76? First A1 answer, okay? We have to write 76. Is that no? Yes, okay. What is the spelling for 76? Yes, E-V-E-N TY 70, SIX 6, 76, 76. What is the spelling for 76? Yes, EVENTY 70, SIX 6, 76. Then see the second one, B, number in words. They are given the question, number in words. Read 88. Yes or no, children? 88. EIGHTY 80. EIGHT 88. How do you write 88? How do you write, children, 88? B. Answer is 88. Okay. All of you listen and write with me. All of you listen and write with me. Okay. See the next one. See question. Read the spelling. SEVENTY 70. TWO 72. What is the spelling for 72? Yes, EVENTY 70. TWO 72. Yes, EVENTY 70. TWO 2. How do you write 72? The C answer is 72. The C answer is 72. Then D. What is D? 34. Yes or no, children? What is this number? 34 is called 34. What is the spelling for 34? All of you open your mouth and say the answer. What is the spelling for 34? THIRTY 30 FOUR 4 34. THIRTY 30 FOUR 4 34. Then see the next one. Read the spelling. NINETY 90 FOUR 4 94. NINETY 90 FOUR 4 94. Yes. How do you write 94? How do you write 94? 9 4 is called 94. 9 4 is called 94. Then what is this number? What is this number? 99. Is that no, children? What is this number? 99. What is the spelling for 99? What is the spelling for 99? NINETY 90 NINE 9 99. What is the spelling for 99? NINETY 90 NINE 9 99. Complete the table. Okay, children, all of you see the board. First question is complete the table. Yes or no, children? Yes, complete this table. The A1 answer is 76. We have to write the number in words. Is that no, children? First one is A. Yes, we have to write number in words. The first A question is 76. Yes, 76. The second one B question is we have to write the numbers in numerals. Is that no, children? Yes. Okay. The third one answer is 72. The third one answer is 72. We have to write the numeral in the C question. Then we have to write the E. C finished. Then D. We have to write in the number in words. Yes, 34. THIRTY 30. FOUR 4. 34. Okay. Then see the next one. E question 94. Okay. We have to write the numbers in 94. Then the last one 99. F 99. F is 99. What is the spelling for 99? NINETY 90. NINE 99. Is that no, children? Yes. Have you written? All of you have you written? See the second question. CICK. All of you keep your finger on the second question and read with me. All of you keep your finger on the letters and read with me, children. Second question. TICK, tick. THED, CORRECT, correct. SEN, TENCE, sentence. AND and CROSS, cross. THED, INCORRECT, incorrect. SENTENCE, sentence. Okay, tick the correct sentence and cross the incorrect sentence. What is the meaning this question? They are given some questions. As well, children, the question is correct means we have to put the tick. Okay, the question they are given some questions. The question is correct means we have to put one small tick. The question is wrong means the given questions are wrong means we have to put cross symbol. Okay, the question is correct means we have to write the put. We have to write the tick symbol. The question is wrong means we have to write cross symbol. Okay, children, see the first one question. 67. 67 comes before 66. 67 comes before 66. This question is correct or wrong? This question is correct or wrong? 67 comes before 66. 66 order before number. What comes before 66? What comes before 66? What comes before 66? 65. Yes, but they are given 67. So this question is correct or wrong? This question is correct or wrong, ma? The second one, A question is wrong. How to write cross symbol in the bracket. Okay, how to write the cross symbol in the bracket. The question is wrong. Yes. What comes before 66? What comes before 66? 65. But they are given 67. So this question is correct or wrong? Wrong. So we have to write, put in the cross symbol. Then the second one, 65 is between 64 and 66. 65 is between 64 and 66. Is it correct or wrong? Is this correct or wrong, children? Right. Yes. 65 எந்த ரெண்டு நம்பருக்கு சென்டர்ல இருக்கும்? 64 and 66. Is that children? So the second question B is correct. The second one B is correct. Then we have to see the next one C. 30 is an odd number. Okay, 30 is an odd number. Is it correct or wrong? This question correct or wrong, children? 30 is an odd number. This number end with 0. Yes, this number is end with 0. 0 is a even number or odd number. 0 is a even number or odd number. Even number. Yes. So 30 is a even number, but they are given 30 is a odd number. So this is correct or wrong? Wrong. Okay, then see the D. 30 is greater than 73. This is correct or wrong? 90 is greater than 73. 73 vida 90 is the greatest number. Is it correct or wrong? Correct. So the D you have to put one tick. Already they are given one bracket. Yes. Inside the bracket use the symbol tick or cross. Okay. Then see the E question. 55 is smaller than 45. 55 is smaller than 45. 55 விட 45 விட 55 சின்ன number. Is it correct or wrong? Is it correct or wrong? Wrong. Yes. 55 is the greatest number. 45 is the less number. Yes. So the E question is wrong. Okay. Then see the third one. Fill in the boxes by counting. F-I-L-L. Fill. I-N in. T-H-E-D. B-O-X-E-S. Boxes. Fill in the boxes. Fill in the boxes by B-Y by counting. C-O-U-N-T-I-N-G. Counting. C-O-U-N-T-I-N-G. Counting. Fill in the boxes by counting. Fill in the boxes by counting. See the A1 in 2 steps. Okay, 2 A's means 2 steps. See the A question. A. The number starts from 2 in 2 steps. Okay. Next box you have to write 4. Then 6. Then 8. 10. 12. And 14. Okay. The number starts from 2 means 2. Then 2 steps. You are taking 2 steps means 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. Okay, then see the second one B. Count in 5 steps. Count in 5 steps. You have to add 5, 5, 5. Okay, 5, then 10, then 15, then 20, 25, 30, 35. Okay, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and 35. Then see the next one, C. Count in 10 steps. Count in 10 steps. See the first one, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. and 70. First question, A is count in 2 steps. Yes. First one, A question is count in 2 steps. The second one, count in 5 steps. The second one, count in 5 steps. The third one, C, count in 10 steps. Count in 10 steps. First one, count in 2 steps. The second one, count in 5 steps. The third one, count in 10 steps. Okay. See the board and write fast, ma. Write fast and write neatly. Have you have it written, children? Okay, all of you. See the board. Then the 10th one, fill in the blanks. F-I-L-L, fill, I-N, in, T-H-E-D, B-L-A-N-K-S, blanks. Fill in the blanks, okay? Fill in the blanks. All of you take your max note. Take new page. First of all of you should write today's day and date. First of all of you should write today's day and date. All of you take your max note. Should mention today's day and date. First write fill in the blanks. F-I-L-L, fill, I-N, in, T-H-E-D, B-L-A-N-K-S, blanks. The first question, numbers, N-U-M-B-E-R-S, numbers, C-A-N, can, B-E-B, W-R-I-T-T-E-N, written. Numbers can be written in, numbers can be written in N-U-M-E-R-A-L, numeral, and numbers can be written in numeral and word form. W-O-R-D, word, F-O-R-M, form. Numbers can be written in, numbers can be written in numeral and word form. The second one, T-H-E-D, N-U-M-B-E-R-S, the numbers, E-N-D-I-N-G, ending WITH with 0, 1, 2, 4, 6 or 8. The numbers ending with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 are called A or E, or CALLED are called EVEN, even, NUMBERS, numbers. The numbers ending with 0, 1, 2, 4, 6 or 8 are called even numbers. The third one, the number between 29 and 31 is, the number between 29 and 31 is 30. The fourth one, NUMBERS, numbers. CAN, can, BEB, ARRANGED, arranged. Numbers can be arranged in ASCEN, DING, ascending, AND and DESCEN, DING, descending, ORDER, order. Numbers can be arranged in ascending and descending order. See the fourth one question. Numbers can be arranged in ascending and descending order. Fifth one, CHED, NUMBERS, the numbers ENDING ending WITH with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 are called odd numbers. The numbers ending with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 are called odd numbers. The heading is FILL, fill, IN, THED, BLANKS, blanks. Fill in the blanks. First one, numbers, NUMBERS, numbers. CAN, BEB, W or I double T E N written I N in N U M E R A L numeral A N D and W O R D word F O R M form. Numbers can be written in numeral and word form. Is that children? Yes, okay. Numbers நம்ம எப்படி எழுதலாம்? Numeral form எழுதலாம், word form எழுதலாம். Numeral form means numbers. Okay. Word form means spellings. Numbers எப்படி எழுதலாம்? Numeral ஆவும் எழுதலாம், words ஆவும் நம்ம write பண்ணலாம். Okay. The second one is CHEDNUMBERS numbers ENDING ending WITH with 0, 1, 2, 4, 6. Sorry. The numbers ending with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. A or E or CALLED called EVEN even NUMBERS numbers. The numbers ending with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 are called even numbers. Then come to the third one. Even numbers means the numbers ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. That is called even numbers. The third one, THEDNUMBER number BETWEEN between 29 and 31 is. The number between 29 and 31 is 30. The fourth one, numbers 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 CAN BEB ARRANGED arranged IN in ASCEN DING ascending AND and DESCEN DING descending ORDER order. Numbers can be arranged in ascending and descending order. Numbers நம்ம எப்படிலாம் அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணலாமா? ஏறு வரிசையிலையும் அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணலாம், இறங்கு வரிசையிலையும் அரேஞ்ச் பண்ணலாம். That is ascending and descending order. The fifth one, THEDNUMBERS numbers ENDING ending WITH with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. A or E or CALLED called ODD or NUMBERS numbers. The numbers ending with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 are called odd numbers. Yes or no ma? The numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 la முடிஞ்சா நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? Odd numbers. All of you write neatly without anyone mistake. Okay ma? I will check your note. Be careful. So write neatly. Write small letters. You have no place means one question. If you write one question means there is you have no place means you fold and write the next line. No problem. Okay. உனக்கு அந்த பக்கம் எழுதுறதுக்கு இடம் இல்லைன்னா என்ன பண்ணணும்? நெக்ஸ்ட் லைன்ல ரைட் பண்ணணும். Don't cross the red line. All of you write fast and write neatly. Okay. Okay children. Now all of you take your max classic note with your stationery thing, that means pencil, razor and sharpener. Okay. Take new page. First of all of you should write today's day and date. First of all of you should write today's date and date. Then you start to write the 10th one heading, fill in the blanks. FILL, fill, IN, in, THED, BLANKS, blanks. Fill in the blanks. The 10th one heading is fill in the blanks. You got to start the new page. Okay, children? Did you take new page? Did you write today's day and date? Okay, I hope you have completed today's day and date and heading. Next, leave one finger space and start to write the first one heading. Sorry, first one question. First one is, numbers can be written in numeral and word form. Numbers, the question numbers you have to write before the margin line. Okay. Question number you have to write before the margin line. Numbers can be written in numeral and word form. NUMBE or S. Numbers. CAN, can. BEB. W or I. TTEN, written. IN, in. NUME or AL, numeral. AND and WORD, word. FORM, form. Numbers can be written in numeral and word form. Numbers நம்ம எப்படிலாமா write பண்ணலாம், numeralவும் write பண்ணலாம், wordவும் write பண்ணலாம். Numerals means numbers. If they are given the spelling means we have to write the numerals. Yes. They are given the numerals means we have to write the words. Yes or no, children? Yes. Numerals means numbers, words means spelling. ஓகேவா? ஏதாவது நம்பர் கொடுத்தா இல்ல क्वेश्चंस ஏதாவது இருந்துச்சுனா நம்ம எப்படி ரைட் பண்ணலாம்? அத நம்பராவும் ரைட் பண்ணலாம், ஸ்பெல்லிங்காவும் ரைட் பண்ணலாம். Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Numbers can be written in numeral and word form. The second one, THED, NUMBE or S, numbers. All of you listen, don't write. Okay, mama? Now you don't write, listen. The numbers ENDING ending WITH with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. A or E or CALLED, called. EVEN, even. NUMBE or S, numbers. The numbers ending with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 are called even numbers. The third one, THED, NUMBE or number. BETWEN, between 29 AND and 31 IS is 30. The second one, the numbers ending with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are called even numbers. Is that no ma? ஏதாவது நம்பர் கொடுத்திருந்தாங்கன்னா அந்த நம்பர்ஸ் 0 அல்லது 2 அல்லது 4 அல்லது 6 or 8 இந்த நம்பர்ஸ்ல முடிஞ்சிச்சுனா that is called even numbers. Okay. The third one, the numbers between 29 and 31 is 30. Okay. 29 க்கும் 31 க்கும் சென்டர்ல எந்த நம்பர் இருக்கும்? 29 க்கும் 31 க்கும் சென்டர்ல எந்த நம்பர் இருக்கும்? 30. Okay. So the number between 29 and 31 is 30. The fourth one, numbers NUMBE or S, numbers. CAN, can. BEB, ARR, A-N-G-E-D, arranged. I-N-in, A-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G, ascending. A-N-D, and D-E-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G, descending. O-R-D-E-R, order. Numbers can be arranged in ascending and descending order. Numbers நம்ம எப்படிலாம் arrange பண்ணலாம்? Ascending orderலயும் arrange பண்ணலாம், descending orderலயும் arrange பண்ணலாம். What is the meaning for ascending order? What is the meaning for ascending order? Ascending order means small, we have to arrange the numbers small to big. Yes or no, children? Ascending order means we have to arrange the numbers from small to big. Descending order means, what is the meaning for descending order? Big number to small number. Yes or no? We have to arrange the numbers from big to small. Yes or no, children? Yes. One sets of number அவங்க கொடுத்தாங்கன்னா நம்ம எப்படிலாம் arrange பண்ணலாம்? Small to big arrange பண்ணலாம், big to small arrange பண்ணலாம். Small number, if you arrange the numbers from small to big means that is called ascending order. Okay. The numbers we can arrange big to small means it is called descending order. Okay. N-U-M-B-E-R-S, numbers. C-A-N, can. B-E-B, A-R-R-A-N-G-E-D, arranged. I-N-in, A-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G, ascending. A-N-D, and D-E-S-C-E-N-D-I-N-G, descending. O-R-D-E-R, order. Numbers can be arranged in ascending and descending order. Okay. The fifth one, T-H-E-D, N-U-M-B-E-R-S, numbers. E-N-D-I-N-G, ending. W-I-T-H with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. Okay, A or E or C-A-L-L-E-D, called O-D-D or N-U-M-B-E-R-S, numbers. Okay. The numbers ending with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 are called odd numbers. Okay, mama? நம்ம odd number எப்படி கண்டுபிடிப்போம்? The numbers, ஏதாவது ஒரு numbers கொடுத்திருந்தாங்கன்னா, one set of numbers கொடுத்திருந்தா, அந்த numbers 1ல முடிஞ்சிருக்கா, 3ல முடிஞ்சிருக்கா, 5ல முடிஞ்சிருக்கா, 7ல முடிஞ்சிருக்கா, அல்லது 9ல முடிஞ்சிருக்கான்னு பார்த்து அதை என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? Odd number-ஆ, even number-ஆன்னு calculate பண்ணுவோம். Yes or no, children? Okay. The numbers ending with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 are called odd numbers. Even numbers-na என்னென்ன digit numbers-ல end ஆயிருக்கும்? 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Odd numbers means 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Okay, children, do you understand? Okay, now all of you open your max note, see the board, write neatly without any one mistake. Write neatly without any one mistake. Write neatly without any one mistake. எந்த mistake இல்லாம போர்டு பார்த்து நீட்டா அழகா கிளியரா ரைட் பண்ண பாப்போம். Fill in the blanks. First one, numbers can be written in numeral and word form. Second one, the numbers ending with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 are called even numbers. The third one, the number between 29 and 31 is 30. The fourth one, numbers can be arranged in ascending and descending order. Fifth one, the numbers ending with 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9 are called odd numbers. Okay. All of you have it written, children? I hope you have completed the classwork. Did you complete yesterday homework? Is or no? You must complete the homework on the given day. Okay, children? Don't postpone to the next day. Write neatly. Study well. This first lesson is over. We'll start the next lesson for the next class. Okay, children? Study well. Take care. We will see the next class. Okay? Bye.